Have an adult help you with this. Let's make a no-sew mercat purse inspired by Gabby's dollhouse. Let's start by making Mercat's face. Cut out Mercat's eyes and nose. Aw, her nose looks like a little heart. Let's cut out a few more shapes to finish Mercat's face. Next, let's make Mercat's mermaid scales. We'll use a penny to trace the circles. Now we glue. Time to put all the pieces together. Let's use ribbon as the purse strap. Let's add a piece of felt to the back of our mercat purse. Wait for it to dry and then trim. Let's use crayons to draw on Mercat's mouth, eyelashes, and rosy cheeks. Gabby would love this. Look at our cute little mercat purse. It's Pandy Paws. That was so fun. Thanks for crafting with Gabby's dollhouse. Aw, look, it's Mercat.
Hi, Mercat.
Hey, Gabby.
See you next time.